right, welcome back. We'll continue with our logo. Like I told us at the last class, that we'll be using shape and converting the shape to curve to get a logo. Very quick one. We'll be tracing. Let's say we'll be tracing this logo here. Okay, I'll copy then paste it here. I told us we can achieve any logo at all using rectangle. All right. So once I draw, just what I need to do is to convert it to curve. Remember to Control Q, right? Once I Control Q now, I can bring it inside, pick my shape tool, just touch any of the anchor points, drop it here. Same thing happens here, drop it here. You can double click again to add your anchor point, like that, like that. Just be dropping it at the point where you know you want to curve. Okay, and you see it's very, 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 very simple to achieve. Of course, the more you shorten the distance between the two anchor points, the more you have a very sharp and accurate logo tracing. Of course, we are just retracing what one have done, so we can have an idea on how to do our own. Okay, so I'm curving now. Any of the anchor points where we have the anchor point, we just right click and do what? To curve. Okay, then you see it come back. In a situation whereby you have made a mistake, now you can right click back. Now you discover that the to curve now is not active again. It's either the line now is active, meaning you want it to come back straight the way it was before. So if I right click back, I will click on to curve, then to curve. The same thing happens here. Okay, and I will do same thing here very, very fast. I will just do same thing here, and before you know, we've achieved our design. Okay, so I will just drop it here and zoom it. Of course, you can be zooming with your mouse because it has scroll bar in between the left click and the right click. Okay, now you discover that we've achieved this. Okay, but let me bring it down and see something. If I try coloring it, I can pick my eyedropper, then of course give the color here. And but do we have any mistake here? The answer is no. As a professional graphic artist, you should be the first person to criticize yourself in your design if this is actually good. If this is not good to your taste, of course, automatically people out there may not actually like it, as the case may be. You discover on the process of me tracing back this logo that we have, you discover that where we have these anchor points, you discover that it's not as straight as it's supposed to be. The same thing here and the same thing here. Okay, so what I need to do is to either double click it back, or I'll go back to my toolbox, pick the shape tool. Then what I need to do is I will set an anchor point by double clicking here. It's a very simple logic. Then set another anchor point by double clicking here. Then we are that very point where the something has a mistake, just double click it, and these two anchor points you set before and after we straighten it. It's a very simple logic. Now we have here is not straight. You set your anchor point here, set another anchor point here, then just double click. It comes straight. So same thing happens here. Okay, double click on it and it comes straight. And by me doing that, you have a perfect um tracing. Okay, so same thing happens with the remaining ones. All right. Please, if you are new to my channel, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for subsequent video. Thank you for constantly viewing my channel, and see you in my next video. Thank you.